Hello traders, welcome back to my channel once again. This is CN on the screen. You're watching CN Great Counsels and Forex Trade, and this is a quick video to officially announce to you that we have launched our Telegram channel according to your request. This is long overdue, and you guys have actually requested for it for too long, and I gave reasons why I never wanted to launch it, but now I'm a bit less busy and I deemed it fit to launch it and to make it known to you guys. We launched it about a day to 2 days ago, and we are doing marvelously well, right? And I just feel I should make it official by making this video. And as you can see, we've been on it for quite some days now, like 2 days now, and those that had access to it, they've been making cool money, right? So you just do not need to hesitate. You have to join us immediately. Okay, we trade both currency pairs and synthetic indices. So far, all the trades we executed ended in profits, hitting TP1, TP2, and some TP3, right? So as you can see, we are making progress. So I'll leave the link to the channel in the description box of this video, and so that you can join, you can click and join. Look at it, we don't just give signals, okay? We don't just tell you to sell, we don't just tell you to buy. We also include educational content like why we sold, okay? Why we sold this particular pair. We make analysis, we teach you, we guide you, so that you also learn from it, okay? This is one of the one of the currency pairs we took. You can see everything. This is supposed to be our TP1, TP2, final TP, and all that. So that's just it. We also took volatilities, and then we took boom, right? And it was massive. It's been massive. Just take a look at it. It's been massive. TP1, TP2, then TP3. You can see. So just do good to click and then join our Telegram group, right? We give you the right information, right? Even if it has to do with fundamentals. Look at it. Now we explain why this happened. So it's not just that we tell you to buy or sell, okay? These are some of the analysis, and of course some of the trades we took, as you can see, on different pairs. So what are you waiting for? We're going to be giving free signals. You're going to make money with us at least for 1 good month. Free signals, as much signals as you can give in a day, depending on the volatility of the market, okay? The first day we launched, we took 5 signals and all ended in profit. The next day, which was the second day, we took I think 3 signals or so. But remember, this is a very volatile week, and we are looking at certain fundamentals, okay? That is with regards to currency pairs. But of course, those that trade synthetic indices will continue the trade today. So don't hesitate to join, and please subscribe to this channel right now if you've not done so. Turn your notification, because we have content back to back that will be releasing to you guys. Remember, I said that Telegram group or channel, not a group, is a channel, is not just where we tell you to sell or buy. It's not just where we'll give signals and then we teach you, we give you educational content, we encourage you, we tell you to note certain things, why we did this, why we did the other one. And if at the end of the day things goes wrong, you will know that it's price action that is playing out. The dynamic nature of forex market is playing out. But then we're going to let you know that this is why we did it, this is why we did it, so that you learn it yourself. We are not just going to be giving you fishes, we will teach you how to fish as well. There's nothing as sweet as analyzing the market and executing your trades, and trade is going just as you have analyzed. It's so sweet, right? So we want to grow together, want to learn together, grow together, and make the money together at CN Great Counsels and Forex Trades client. Welcome to my client, as we ride together, as we take on this journey together, and as we make money together. So don't forget, the link will be in the description box of this video, and also I will pin it in the comment section so that you join and we'll make money together. Remember, once again, the signal in the meantime is completely free of charge, okay, until further notice. We're gonna do that for at least 1 full month, right? 2 days is gone already, and we're left with, in fact, approximately 1 month, right? So many thanks for watching this video. Share this video to your friends, call your brothers, call your friends. Whether you know how to trade Forex or not, we are going to guide you. We are going to tell you sell, and we'll give you reasons why you sell, and in the course of the reason, you should also learn. You are learning it even if you don't know about Forex, okay? By the time you trade and follow our teachings, our instructions, our explanations, you get to know. Even if you're a pro trader already, we want to learn together, want to grow together, and want to make the money together, because this year no grief for anybody this year. All right, this is CN Great Council signing out for today, and I'll see you right on the channel. And also keep watching this channel. I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.